Today, I'm going to be showing you a feature called Add to Session, where it allows you to add more information to a session that you had already started and even already had generated notes for it. And so this is VetRec's homepage. I'm going to go right now to the history section here, where you'll see your current sessions that you have. And I just did this for Joey, but I wanted to show you, if we go to the notes, what we have captured here. I've only taken the subjective part of this session, basically just quick history of Joey, who has been having some diarrhea for the past 4 days. And so typical workflow in a veterinary practice is that a technician comes in, takes the history part with the pet owner, and then the doctor goes in and does the physical examination, any assessments or diagnosis. And so the good thing about VetRec is that you can start a session, you can process the notes up until whatever was said in the consultation, let's say, so whatever the technician had captured up until that point, the doctor can start seeing those notes, but naturally everything else will be not mentioned because that those parts have not been said. And so the doctor can then come to the exam room and add to session. When they click this button, they'll be taken back to the scribe page, but you'll see two main things. First, you'll see that the patient name has already been pre-filled with the session that we had already done. And then it won't say start recording, it'll say resume recording, just to tell you a little bit of that visual cue that you are about to add more information to this particular session. And so you had seen that we have done a little bit of the subjective side of things. So I'm just going to do a physical examination here very, very quickly. And so we'll do resume and we'll say, Joey's eyes look okay. There's a little bit of discharge on the right ear. The left ear is normal. When I palpate his abdomen, I feel it a little bit tense. Heart rate is 100, and everything else looks fine. That's just a quick example here. And we're going to do is we're going to do start processing. And so what that's going to do is going to generate the notes, and you'll see that we're going to see the subjective section that we saw before, as well as all of the new physical examination that the doctor just added. And VetRec is super fast. All of the notes will be done in less than 20 seconds, and you'll see here. The information is the same from the chief complaint side of things. You can see how, Joey has had diarrhea for the past 4 days, and then there was some physical examination, and there's some problems that came out of that physical examination. However, no diagnosis was mentioned, and so we put it there. But this is a nice way where you can continue adding to the session until, depending on the different workflows that you have, how many people come into the room, when they come to the room, etc. You can always add more information to the session by just clicking this button. Thank you.